I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking the Realme C33 and opening settings immediately. This saves time. Use the top search field and type Assistant or Default Apps, because some menus differ by color OS build. Once found, navigate to System or Additional Settings, then to Default Apps. You need the Assist and Voice input entry. This first step exposes the controls for which app answers a long press of the power key, and it's why we begin here, to change the default behavior quickly. Now you tap Assist and Voice input to see the current default assistant. Google will be listed. Change it to None or select a non-Google app so the power key stops invoking Google Assistant. Next, go back and open Buttons and Gestures or Gesture Settings. Different color OS versions label it differently. Find the power button long press action and set it to power menu or do nothing instead of assistant. Doing both steps ensures the assistant won't launch from the power key. Once done, reboot the phone so the system applies the new default assistant and button behavior consistently. After restart, long press the power button to confirm you now see the power menu or that nothing happens, depending on your choice. If Google Assistant still appears, go to Settings Apps Google Open by default and clear defaults, then repeat the Assist and Voice input selection. That clear defaults move fixes leftover associations that sometimes persist across updates or app changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.